BI in a box, the innovative way of exploring the value in your data. Let us look at how to configure menus. You have logged into BI in a box. Now click on Menus in the Security tab drop-down. Security groups leverage off the menus to make access to widgets visible to the users. Out of the box, two menu structures have been set up. The first is the organizational menu, typically used for the administration widgets, and the second is the company menu, which contains all BI reporting widgets. The company menu is a limited subset of the organizational menu and has no security or master data widget access. As we go through this section, you will realize that these two menu structures will suffice for managing access to widgets. However, if you wish to create additional menu structures, you can. This will increase administration effort required. In the user groups training, we showed how to add or restrict access to widgets for specific user groups. This is how visibility to menu items is controlled. If the user group does not have access to that widget configured, the menu item will not display, even though it is part of the menu structure. If a menu structure has 40 items, but the associated user group only has access to 10 widgets, only those 10 items will be displayed, enabling access. So, one menu structure, with access to all widgets, can support multiple security groups and manage their access to widgets. No need to create multiple menu structures. Click on the Actions icon to see what is available in the company menu structure. You will notice that there are 88 menu items associated with this menu structure. Each and every menu item in this grid is available in the drop-down menus displayed. And by clicking on a menu item, you will execute the associated widget. The caption of a menu item is what is displayed in the menu tabs and items. And the order number is used to sequence menu items. If all order numbers are the same, then the items will be sequenced in alphabetical order. The widget that will be executed when you click on a menu item is seen here. Let me return to the organizational menu and demonstrate how to add a menu item. So, let me search for all menu items where the parent menu is security. The list of menu items displayed will only be those where the parent menu is security. To demonstrate how to add a menu item, however, let me rather search for custom widgets. You will notice that there are 4 items linked to the parent menu, custom widgets. Click on the existing filter here and change it to filter for all items where the parent menu is, custom widgets. Here you will see there are 4 widgets where the menu visible checkbox is checked. The item, Stock Management Report, is not checked for menu visible and so will not be displayed in the menu structure. Click on the Add New button and the form to add menu items is displayed. Let us add the new item under the Custom Widgets menu structure. The caption for this item we will make Test Stock Valuation. Define the order as 99 and make the menu item visible. Search for the Stock Valuation widget and then click on the widget in order to select it. And remember, if you switch the menu visible off at this level, the menu item will not display, even though that security group has access to the associated widget. Toggle the menu visible back on, as well as the widget link switch. Additional settings allow you to configure where the widget will render. Selecting Self means the widget will open in the screen you are currently accessing, while selecting Parent will log you out of BI in a box and open the widget in a new screen, typically not used for reporting type applications like BI in a box. And selecting Blank will open the widget in a new browser tab. You will not be logged out of BI in a box. Finally, Level defines the parent-child menu structure and is automatically generated once you click on the Synchronize button, as I will demonstrate shortly. Let us add the new menu item. The new menu item has been created, however, the levels have, as yet, not been generated. Now, click on Synchronize and then OK. This will generate the levels, defining the parent-child relationship in the menu structure. The screen will refresh, now showing the levels of the new item. Showing both the new item ID 1381 and the parent menu item ID 9. All items displayed here have a parent menu item ID of 9, showing they belong under the custom widget menu structure. The menu item is not yet displayed. One step more, go to Security tab and click on Reload Menu. Now, the dynamic menu structure will reload, your menu item will show. And, because we selected Self as where the widget should render, it is displayed as a new tab in the current screen. New menu item created. A really useful feature in BI in a Box is the ability to hide and unhide menu items, where that module of Sage 200 is not used by the client. When you click on Hide Menu Items, BI in a Box does a record count of all tables in Sage 200 and then hides menu items where the record count returned is 0, no records found. Unhide menu items simply reverses this action. That concludes this session on user configuration. Refer to the user manual for detailed information. Until next time.